Welcome to this video on TCP basics. In this guide, we'll explore how data actually travels across the internet. So what is TCP? It stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Think of it as a reliable delivery service for your internet data, acting like a virtual handshake to ensure every piece of information reaches its destination. Imagine sending a parcel through the mail. You expect tracking, confirmation, and safety. TCP works similarly by numbering data parcels to ensure they are reassembled in the correct order when they arrive. How does data travel? It moves from your computer, through your Wi-Fi router, across the internet, to the final web server. Once received, the process repeats in reverse to send the response back to you. Why use TCP? It provides reliable delivery, ensures data is in the correct order, performs error detection to find corrupted bits, and handles automatic retransmission if any data is lost. You use TCP every day. It's essential for web browsing, sending emails, online banking, cloud storage, and downloading files, any application where data accuracy and integrity are critical. When comparing TCP to UDP, TCP prioritizes reliability and ordering, though it's slightly slower due to the extra overhead. UDP, however, is designed for speed, operating on a best effort basis without those strict guarantees. There is much more to cover in this series, from TCP flags and handshakes to DNS resolution and packet analysis. This is just the beginning of your journey to becoming a networking expert. If you want to learn more about networking and cybersecurity through real packet analysis, be sure to subscribe to TheCipherOps.